Hi guys.
Hi. Hi.
Where are we going, guys?
We're going to Las Vegas.
Not Las Vegas. Far from it, actually. We are heading up north into Michigan's Upper Peninsula along the Pictured Rocks Lakeshore and Munising to check out some neat kid-friendly sights along the way. Oh yeah, for sure. Sun came out, warmed everything up. And for our first stop on the tour, we stopped at the Bay Furnace Ruins trailhead. And of course, we had to do a little bit of beachcombing and check out the lake before hitting the trail. A bunch of the slag all over the place. I'll get my camera to focus. I don't know if you can tell with the camera, but it's like super shiny. All the slag here. It looks like broken glass, but it's...
I found some more. Look at the front of this one.
Wow, look at that, huh?
Looks cool.
That is pretty sweet. Whoa!
Whoa,
I just wanted to show him Lake Superior, how big it is.
We wait like this. The ruin.
The Bay first.
Alright, let's go find those ruins, guys. It's like a treasure map. From the parking area and beach, there's about an 8-mile trail that leads you to this structure, which is the remnants of an old blast furnace used back in the 1870s to smelt ore like iron. I don't know. We'd have to... I've seen pictures where people were climbing on it, but I'd have to read the rules.
I like the fact that it's fenced off.
And there's not really anything to go inside.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Oh, why does it say that? I guess we'll have to guess what. How? How did that happen? How do people making iron? How did it get in?
Just a short walk away from the blast furnace, you'll find some stone steps that lead you down to a great view of the lake and Grand Island. There's also remnants of an old shipyard, which is pretty cool to check out. It's a really old dock for the ships. That's all that's left of it.
There used to be more.
Yeah. That's what these old timbers are for. Alright, here it goes. Oh no! Oh, I did not skip it. After spending most of the morning at the ruins, we decided to head into town and try some local food. Okay, say Sasquatch! Alright guys, this is your first time trying a pasty.
Yeah.
Let's see what you guys think of it.
Okay,
This is a chicken one. do you think, Desmond? Good?
He likes the dessert one.
Clemmy likes it. And Killian approves as well. And Mommy seems to really enjoy hers.
Halfway through it.
Just a few minutes south of Munising off of Highway 94, there's a little pull off where we took the kids out to check out some local waterfalls. This was just maybe a 3rd mile hike out. Easy trail to get to, beautiful scenery, and kids got to see some waterfalls, so that was pretty cool.
See, right over there.
Cool.
Is it really?
Yeah. I can even see it, but you can kind of see the river along there. The little river.
Yeah, I see the stream.
It's cool.
It's pretty sweet.
Use the big bridge. The actual bridge. Nice, be careful. I just soaked.
You think I could climb all the way up there?
Yeah.
No. That's really good. Look at the trees. Like, see how the tree fell down?
Okay, you ready? Next adventure. To the beach. The kids have been begging me all day to go swimming, so we decided to head east out of town and pick out a beach for them to swim at. We ended up choosing a place called Sandpoint Beach because a lot of the beaches around the area are pretty rocky. This one is all sand, which would have been perfect for the kids to swim at. So it just ended up being a great place, beautiful views, and the kids had a blast. It's chilly.
It's wind like real.
Yeah. Italian. Actually, this would have been a pretty fun place to swim, but the wind is it's much windier here. It's pretty cool. Don't get wet, please. Run! Good job! Well, after a long day of exploring ruins, waterfalls, and beaches, we decided we're going to make one more stop for the day. So this must be like an information center and restrooms and stuff. It's pretty nice. With the nicest information center we've seen so far on this trip. It's cool.
Right there. Oh, some of it got torn off from work. Did you know it takes about 191 years for the water to be completely replaced in Lake Superior?
That's cool. Miner's Castle Overlook ended up being a fantastic way to end our day. They had some stunning views of the lake shore, and some great trails to walk down. They even had this observation lens for colorblind people, and my son, who is red-green colorblind, got to check it out, which was pretty cool. You can't really tell the difference.
Look at the shoreline here. It doesn't look
Something for colors.
It zooms in a lot.
Oh. Slow down, guys. It's pretty steep.
Time. Grand portal is no more. You don't get it anymore.
Maybe you used to be able to travel to it, but it collapsed or something.
Oh, that's the castle.
Yeah. At one point, you used to be able to get to the castle.
There's a lot of things. I thought we could go. That is cool.
No, they just don't want people climbing on top of the rock.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what it's like.
that's cool.
Put the sandstone away.
Look at that. You should bite it off.
There's the castle. Wow.
That's what it's all about.
So that's what we were looking at.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
That is cool. Oh, look up